is change something. So I'm gonna go back to data, create a new file for posts.ts, export const posts, right? And what we want is this, but it's going to yell at us saying that can't find the name post. We can't import it from anywhere. That's because inside a model we need to create that. So post.ts export type post equals this. We have a user, which is going to be the string, which will be like an ID for that user. So what I'm going to do here is go back to users, sorry, and put an ID here. So we need some way to just identify this user by a unique value. So then users, I'm going to go in here and do a user. I mean, I guess we could just use username. Nah, let's do this. Let's just do this. We'll give it an ID of 1. We'll have to, in the future, we'll generate a random ID. We'll use Firebase for this. We'll generate a random ID and use that instead. We don't want to use the username as a unique ID. It should be unique across users for the platform, but we don't want to use it as the unique identifier, because what if they change their username, right? There's always a feature request of being able to change your email, change your username. So it doesn't really make sense to use that as a unique identifier for your data. You should always have like a random ID generated in a secure way for whatever server database that you are using. Okay. Let's see. So we got this. Let's see. 1 second. That's good. Okay. So that is set up for the user. We'll go back to post. The user is going to be the user.id, right? That's going to be a foreign key, if you will, primary key. I think a foreign key. I think this is the primary key for user. I think that's the term. This is a foreign key on the post type, post model, that points to the user primary key, which is .id. Pretty sure that's how it goes. So we got user, we got text, which is a string. We have created date, which is going to be a number. And I think that's all we need. We do want a post. We do want an ID for the post as well. And I think this is it for now. That's all we need. We'll expand this out as we go. Sweet. So what we want to do is, have all of this info. Let's go ahead and actually create some posts. Sorry, I forgot that part.